Good morning, everyone. This is Phương Linh, and here's Haiphong weather forecast for today and tomorrow. This morning in Haiphong City, we are about to have fair sky with the highest temperature reaching no more than 26 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is of 60%. As for the suburb, it's likely to be clear in the morning, but precipitation may well start to affect in the afternoon. The temperature will agitate from 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. You cannot expect a more beautiful day than this to go to Phương Beach with crystal blue sky, blue water, and calm sea. With the lowest temperature only reach 24 degrees Celsius. What a nice day for outdoor activities. However, monsoon is likely to have effects on south northern region in general and Haiphong City in particular. Clouds will increase overnight and into the early hours when the most rain is expected to fall. Therefore, tomorrow will be a rainy and cloudy day in the city center with the highest temperature only reach 26 degrees Celsius. In the north of the city, there will be heavy rains with thunderstorm in part of the region. The temperature can range from 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. For the south, you will see downpour with the moisture of 90%. As for Bạch Long Vĩ Island, Phương Beach, and Cat Bao province, there will be rough sea with strong wind of 25 to 30 miles per hour. Bridgeability will therefore reduce to less than 10 km, and is not a very suitable condition for fishing boats to sail away. And last but not least, we have the checklist for you that you really should remember. First, nearly half-inch of rain will fall across Haiphong City, so don't forget to bring your raincoats and umbrella. Secondly, the road will become extremely slippery during the rain, so please control your speed while driving and avoid using alcohol. And last, you are recommended to stay inside, but if you do need to go outside, wearing rubbers or plastic boots will be your number one choice. This is Phương Linh from HLP channel. For more information, you can visit our website worldwideweb.com/HLP-channel. Enjoy the day and see you tomorrow.
Do you like the weather forecast?
Yes.
Why? Thank you. How about other people? No. In which grade?
Nice day.
Have a nice day. My day. Nice day. What else?
I think she talked very clearly and loud. Sometimes she made a mistake, but she didn't nervous and she make it up right away and she smiled a lot. She looked into the audience.
You mean the eye contact with the audience?
Yes. And I think she.
How about the language feature of the talk?
Language feature. I think her A sound is a bit strong.
In which word do you still And.
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 Yes.
Okay.
And she made maybe too much stress. Like I don't know what to focus on.
Too much stress. We are talking about sentence stress. You mean sentence stress?
Yes.
Red. Chang.
I think that organization and her stress are very good. And her voice sounds nice too. Even in the back of the class, it sounds wonderful. Yeah. It sounds great.
Are you happy with the compliments? Alright, so talking about the organization, I think that it is one of the best mini talks in terms of organization, because you see that her choice is one city, right? One province. Yeah, one city, and there is the coverage of information is good, because besides the central city, you also mentions the weather in other parts of the city, and there is a balance in the information, because in some other we need to, I remember it is you also talk about like Langvi or Cát Bà and Đồ Sơn, right? So you see that the coverage of information for weather forecast in a city, there is a balance in the information for different regions, right? For different regions. And do you think that it is informative to the audience? Yes, because you see that in some other mini talks, the speakers do not distribute the information in a balanced way. For example, you just focus on just the center, and then you choose some parts, like in the mini talks last time. I do not understand why you choose Eunice as a place to give the information about the weather forecast, right? Here. So we talk about the balance in information. Okay? And I really like the way that you can apply language of prediction, possibility, and certainty. We learned that, right? Yeah. The thing is, we learned something, but the more important thing is that the way how we apply, and you can apply it very well in the weather forecast. Do you still remember what expressions or structures that she used to talk about future possibility and certainty? Yeah, be bound to do something, and what else? Be bound to do something.
Likely.
Likely to. Okay, what else? Yeah, expected to. Okay, may well. Do you still remember may well? Last time we learned. Yeah. Okay. And if you think that the sentence stress is she puts too much sentence stress during her speech, but personally I think that it is one of her strengths, because it helps to emphasize the more important pieces of information, right? For example, I really like the way that you add the strength in the word. For example, therefore, then you turn to the next idea. Do you think that it makes it easier for us to follow? The stress, I think, in a moderate way. And just a word that you need to pay attention to. This is the word northern, not northern. You see, we have the word north and south. It is the noun, right? But if we turn into adjective, we have southern and northern. Southern, not southern. Okay? Yeah, so I think that well done, Linh.